I found this Craftsman push drill on eBay. I was attracted to it because it has a cool looking design. The handle is made up of some kind of heavy cast pot metal. The blue paint is almost completely worn away. The shaft probably was nickel plated, but all the plating is gone. The bits are stored in the handle and are accessed by rotating the cap. The bits for this push drill are unique and do not match the common Yankee Handyman bits. Since the push drill was in okay working order, I only disassembled it enough to clean it up. I decided not to drive out this pin. So here's all the pieces. At this point, I made the decision not to repaint the blue, but to try to polish the handle. I cleaned all of the parts with mineral spirits. I found a small bore brush was handy for cleaning the bit grooves. I wasn't going to be able to replate the shaft, so I decided to expose all the brass and polish it. The remaining blue paint came off the handle easily, except in these grooves. I wet sanded the handle down to 2000 grit. Looking pretty shiny. I decided to try polishing the handle with flitz. I also ended up polishing the brass shaft. Now, how hot is that? I think the polished handle looks great with the polished brass shaft. Better than factory. I repaired a crack in the cap with super glue and then sanded it down to 3000 grit and carefully polished it with my Dremel. I oiled the internal parts and reassembled. Getting that spring compressed was no fun. Yes, that is me using a putty knife as a screwdriver. The bits have a spline that matches up with the collet. They are held in by clamping friction. Here she is in action. The straight flute bits make a nice clean hole. I think I made the right decision to polish the handle. It has an almost chromed look that goes nice with the brass shaft. I hope you enjoyed this project. Thanks for watching.